So, wish me luck here. And let's do it. Hello cat people! How are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni and today, finally, I'm dyeing my hair. As you already know, I don't know if you have watched the previous video, if not they will be here. Also, if you're new here, you can subscribe to this channel for more hair content. Mainly, I'm doing makeup, but I love playing with my hair and I love coloring them crazy colors and crazy combinations. So, I was thinking that I have been stuck into blue and in general cold colors because I love cold colors. So today's plan is first of all to bleach around here because as you can see my roots are very dark and I don't think that they will blend well with my ideas. And then secondly, I have bought orange, pink, blue and green hair dyes. What are we gonna do with them? We will see, we will find out together. I haven't decided yet. Well, can you see? Glasses are on, and when glasses are on, things are getting serious. So, I'm ready to start preparing my hair bleach mix, and for this, I'm gonna use as a developer Blonde Me from Schwarzkopf, and then this one right here, this is Blondor from Vela. I'm gonna add equal amounts of these two into my bowl. I will bleach only my roots, because if I touch the already bleached hair, it might be dangerous for me. So, if you're ready to see this, let's start! Okay, as you can see, my mix is pretty much ready. The plan is to start from this hair right here, the front hair, because I want to make sure that I will have everything bleached and then I will go back, which if I miss something, I don't really care, to be honest. I'm gonna put on gloves, of course I'm not working without gloves, and then I will start. Okay, as you can see, I have finished with the bleaching of my hair and now I'm gonna try something for the first time in my life. I'm gonna bleach my eyebrows, okay? I would like to give myself like deep blue eyebrows, so that's why I'm gonna try to bleach them. I'm kinda afraid, to be honest. Maybe I will not go as far as to make them completely yellow, but just leave it for 5 minutes and then remove it in order to have, you know, kinda light brown to dark yellow eyebrows. So I'm gonna use exactly the same mix. I'm gonna make a little bit extra because as you can see, it's finished now. So wish me luck here and let's do it. Okay, now as I'm waiting for my hair and eyebrows to be done, let me tell you some things, the general disclaimer that I always have at this type of videos. So people, do not try to do this at home alone, especially if you are not over 18. This is not the most easy procedure, this is not the most safe procedure for your hair. You might damage your hair, you might lose your hair. Why am I doing this? Well, you know, me being me, I do not care that much. I know that what I'm doing for me, for my hair type, it's safe. I have tried the same procedure again and again. The only thing that I'm doing for the first time is my eyebrows. Well, I'm a little bit scared, but you know, in the end, it's just hair. Like, what can happen? Worst case scenario, I might not have eyebrows for a month, but then, you know, I can draw them. So it's perfectly fine for me, but whatever is fine for me, it's not necessarily fine for you. Now, if you wanna see some spoilers in the future, because I have a lot of spoilers on my Instagram page, you can always visit my Instagram page, which is gonna be Catlady Antigoni, down here. Of course, I don't have the full reveal of her there, but there I usually ask you what color do you want to see next, guess the color, I'm giving some hints. So yeah, if you do not want to miss the good stuff, the gossip, just go there and follow. I very proudly present you the result of my bleach. Yay! I'm so excited because the bleach is very good and actually my eyebrows are looking perfect. I'm so happy. I know that I look like an alien, but I like it. Like, this is so much me. And I don't know if I'm gonna make them light blue or actually leave them as they are in order to create makeups with these eyebrows. I don't know. We will decide together later on. Now, let's go to the actual hair dyeing. I'm so excited today. Like, look, I know that you cannot see all the colors that I have here on my desk, but I will try to describe to you. I have my own mixes, as always. I have alpine green, I have magenta, I have midnight blue, I have a very nice orange that I bought today. This is the apricot from Directions, of course. I have this one right here. This is from Stargazer and it's an amazing pink. I have a lot of hair cream in order to make them look more pastel, in order to create even more colors. And now I'm thinking to start with the already bleached hair right here. I want to create a mix of very bright pink and the apricot in order to have like pink here until there and then continue with apricot. So this is my idea for the hair in front, this one. So I'm gonna try to separate them and I will start! Before I do mixes or anything, I will be a clever girl today and I will actually apply some cream. This is a body cream, but it's fine, it's gonna stay just for a while on my face in order not to have pink face like I usually have after my hair dyes. And this is quite awkward, especially when I have to go to lessons or when I have to do my own lessons and then I have to explain like this is very normal, this is from the hair dye. So no, this time I will be clever and I will use this. This is from Inecto. I never heard this brand before. All I know is that it's vegan and cruelty free, thumbs up. And this is a coconut body lotion, so this is what I'm gonna apply around my face. And then I will start by mixing the pink. Next step is to create the pink that I really want. So here I have a mix, a pre-made mix from last time. I have flamingo pink from Directions plus magenta from Stargazer, and this is the amount of pink that I have. So what I'm gonna do is filling this jar with hair cream. Doesn't really matter what brand do you prefer for your hair, really doesn't matter. So I'm gonna take this one that I have and I will just make sure that I will have a more pastel result, a more light pink. You see, I use this much because this color is quite strong, and in order to have the result that I really want, I need it a lot, and I don't even know if this is gonna be enough. So basically I'm gonna add a little bit more and then I will stir and then I will show you. Now, before I start with the action, I would like to show you a trick. So here I have an A4 clean paper, white paper, just it, and basically the thing that I'm doing is that I'm trying the colors here before I actually put them on my hair. So here you can see the pink with just a little bit of hair cream, and then I add some more, so we have this result. Also this is the orange and this is the blue. In this way you're preventing yourselves from having accidents, which is great in my opinion. I would like to see them here. They're kind of very close to reality, not exactly, because of course you see the difference between my hair and the paper, but yeah, this is a good idea. Now I'm putting on my gloves and I'm ready to start with this yummy pink that I have created. I finished with the most vibrant pink, and now with the same brush that I used, I will go to my orange and I will finish the hair here. Well, I'm not very happy with the orange. I feel that I will end up with something like greenish brown, because the blue under the orange was not a very good choice. So for this reason I decided to do some hair here orange, because I really want to see this orange. It seems so promising to me. So I'm going on by doing this, and then I will create my own perfect purple. Oh my god, the time has come! It's time to create our own purple! So, I'm gonna take a clear mixing bowl. I'm gonna start with the cream this time because I want to make a very light purple, almost pastel but not really pastel, but I want to make sure that I have enough base for what I'm doing. Then I will add some of the magenta right here. This is from Stargazer. This is a brand new box, so it's the first time that I'm using it. So excited! So you see, I'm using this amount for a start, or a little bit more. Yep. And then I will do the big thing. I will go with the midnight blue. the midnight blue that I'm always using from Directions hair color. So this one right here, I have already opened it, and I'm gonna take, I don't know how much, just a tiny little bit, because I feel that this is gonna be like that. This is gonna be way too strong. So let me show you what I have until now. Basically, I have this. I'm gonna start mixing, and basically we will see where we will end up and if we need to add anything or not, if this is the perfect purple or not. I don't think so. I think that it's gonna be just like I have imagined it, but without any further talking, let's start mixing. Oh my god, are you ready to see the best purple ever existed? Are you ready? So, here we have it. Oh, again, I'm so excited. Look at it. Look at it. It's cold, but it's not very dark. It's the best purple, literally. And look how much it goes with the pink that already exists. Oh my god. I would like to tell you at this point that I added a little bit extra of green and a little bit extra of blue, because apparently the tiny little bit amount of pink hair dye that I have added was way too much, and it was quite warm, and I didn't want a warm one because this is what I'm going for today. So now what I'm gonna do is to add a little bit of pink where my orange, where my orange ends. I'm gonna do this because I feel that this purple that I have created, it's quite cold tone for this orange that I already have here, so I would like to faint it to pink in order to give it a chance to not look weird or bad blended or end up in being brown, because I don't want brown anymore. I had brown hair for the whole of my life and now I wanna go crazy. So I'm gonna start by adding some pink, and then it's time for the best purple of the world to shine. I finish with the purple and I move into blue. So I have created my own blue because, you know, I liked my purple so much, so I want to continue creating my own shades. And for this I used again the conditioner that I had and the midnight blue from Directions, and I think that I haven't used 50-50. I think that 60 was the conditioner and 40 was the blue, so that's how you can get this result right here. I have already applied it to this part of my hair to see how it looks like. I haven't understood, to be honest, because my hair is now wet, so if they're not dry, I cannot understand. But I have tried at the paper as well, and on the paper it looks nice. So I'm doing this part with you. First of all, I will do pink right here, which I don't have any color, and then I will continue with my blue. As you can see, I have finished with the dyeing procedure. Now I'm gonna wait 20 minutes and then I will go and I will take a shower, whoop, in order to remove, you know, the hair dye and then let my hair shine. Another thing that I would like to mention is that people who are actually following me on Instagram, they had a spoiler about the hair, because while I was dyeing the hair, I was doing an Instagram live. So again, if you want to stay updated, just go and follow me on Instagram. I'm doing a lot of spoilers there, and actually today I have done a heavy spoiler. And you know something? While we are waiting, you can also subscribe to this channel in order to, first of all, watch all the previous videos that I have done with hair dyeing, other crazy colors and cool stuff like that, and B, most importantly, to make sure that you're not gonna miss any of my future hair videos, because I have some crazy plans for 2022 and I will do some things. Maybe I will try to cut my hair by myself. I'm not promising anything, but this is an idea that I have and I'm having it for quite a long time, so if you want to make sure that you will see it, don't forget to subscribe. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. So for today, I think that I haven't told you the word, like I'm dyeing my hair, you know the noun hair by now, but you don't know how we can say I'm dyeing my hair. So in Greek we say vafo τα μαλλιά μου. Βάφω τα μαλλιά μου. You already know the word μαλλιά, so the new word for today is the word βάφω. So now you know how to say the full sentence in Greek. So as always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the sentence this time, βάφω τα μαλλιά μου, or actually tell me this sentence in your own native language. Let's go, people! Ta-da! Here we have the results. So, what do you think about my new hair? Do you like it? I'm gonna explain you something. So here you can clearly see the pink that I had created. There you can see the orange, and then here you can see the purple, and here we can see the blue. The blue is a little bit more subtle than I was in my mind, but to me it's completely fine since I feel that it complements the pink very well and the orange, which are the highlights from this hair dye. The only unfortunate thing is that I don't really have orange down here. It's kind of purplish, dusty pink, like it's not very unfortunate. Now that I'm thinking, I feel that it's a great continuation for the pink to kind of fade into this color, so all in all I'm very happy. And what about the brows, you might ask? So I have already done some makeup on my eyebrows because I feel that there's no reason for you to see just bleached eyebrows because they're just yellow. Okay, so what? You have seen my bleached hair. They were exactly the same, and the reason that I decided to use some makeup on them today is because I would like to show you all the endless possibilities that you can have if you have blonde/yellowish brows. Like, you can do literally every and anything that you can imagine. All in all, I'm super happy and excited about my new hair color. Like, I'm dying about this. Probably I will do it again, not very soon because I don't enjoy having, you know, 2 times exactly the same hair. But all in all, yeah, try to experiment, try to create your own hair dyes, and who knows, you might end up with something like this, which in my opinion is pretty cool. And that was our video for today. I hope that I gave you some ideas about your hair. I hope that I brought some extra color in your life. I hope that I made you a little bit more happier today. Thank you so much for being here with me today. See you on Tuesday with a makeup video. Until then, bye bye!